I'm not going to deny, Rhoda is expensive, but we've come up with two solutions to solve this problem. I came to shoot here because it's really beautiful today and I've missed the sunset for a long time. And honestly, if I didn't make Rhoda, I wouldn't be able to afford one. But see, as a startup, we can't have a huge range from the get-go. Manufacturing just one model has been a nightmare. There are 101 parts in a Rhoda, and if one part is missing, we have delays. And man, we have experiences with delays. So the first solution is we've extended our range in partnership with Lumala. I know, you're like, why am I partnering with my competitor? But that's not how we look at it. We started Rhoda to help you move, not to build bikes. Sustainable urban mobility. So we've picked the best bikes in their collection and added to our website with the best prices. Based on your lifestyle, you can pick a bike. If it's adventure, commuter, or you just want an all-rounder. And we are building our app to even work with these bikes. So they aren't just e-bikes, but they're smart bicycles. I'll add step 2 in another video. So yeah, go check out our website. We even built an AI to help you decide with choosing an e-bike.